hair survival tools. All right, this video is going to be dedicated to a bunch of tools that I use because we're all trapped in the house for the most part, and I, unfortunately, thanks to this lovely virus, I can't even see clients. All right, and that's really not cool. I've been doing hair for 25 years, and this is the first time, except the time where I really left the industry, but I still was able to kind of see clients here and there. But it's been, I mean, I can't see anyone, and it's horrible. And I've got so many amazing clients, so I'm thinking to myself, and from seeing a lot of the comments you guys are leaving, you know, you're all doing your hair at home, and you have no other choice but to do some self-grooming. And this goes for men and women. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to go over a bunch of essentials that I think you need in your household that are going to be great for your hair. Some of them are, you know, are on Amazon. I have in my description below, I've got a link to my Amazon store, which, yes, it's like an affiliate. I get a small percentage. I don't even think it even really matters. But I have a list of a lot of the products I'm going to mention that are on there and a lot of the tools. So you could definitely, just to make it easier, click on a link in the description so you see everything on one page. And this is a variety of stuff. And some of it isn't even on there, right? And none of it's sponsored. It's just me sharing some tools with you guys. So the first thing, let's start off in the shower. Now, this is my Hemp set, the Hemp shampoo and conditioner. This is one of my newer products. A lot went into this. It cost me a lot of money to have these made because I had to have so many made, and you know, a special way to have the hemp oil infused and mixed into the actual shampoo and conditioner. It was a process, and it's finally starting to get some recognition thanks to Matt at TDM and whoever else is talking about this. This is a really, really incredible shampoo and conditioner. Even the shampoo alone is great, but I am selling them as a set, and I'm doing 30% off, an automatic discount just to help, you know, give back in any way I can, because I know you guys need shampoo and body washes and things like that. But what's unique about the Hemp set is hemp, and this is the reason I came out with it, is a very great healing type of ingredient, right? It's been talked about for so long. People are doing, you can take hemp oil. It's great for your body, but it's really beneficial to the scalp for a number of reasons. It helps, if you've got very dry scalp, it helps moisturize your scalp, but without making it oily if you have a normal scalp anyway. So if I know people who have had, you know, dandruff and very flaky scalps, and you know, good friend of mine and client of mine said this completely healed that. It stopped it. No more flaking because of the hemp, right? And the ingredients. Also, it helps promote thicker hair growth. It's been proven that it promotes thicker hair growth, and it's a really great ingredient for the scalp. So I would suggest using something that is very beneficial for your hair and scalp at these particular times. You're maybe not able to get outside as much, you're not getting the vitamin D or whatever, but I would suggest the hemp set, right? Next, again, I'm only pushing really two of my products. 25 spray. 25 spray has become my biggest selling product at this point. I can't even keep it in stock. It sells like crazy. Actually, I have to keep it in stock, but it just sells so much. 25 benefits. It's kind of like the ultimate pre-styling or leave-in treatment for your hair. If your hair is dry, if your hair needs a little extra moisture, if you want to help fight static or frizz and you want to be able to comb through the hair, this is great for knots. If you're a female and you've got super long hair and it gets knotted, I'm telling you, 3 or 4 spritzes of this in your hair, it combs right through. It's literally incredible, this spray. It's essential. It's essential to your hair. Again, you spray it in when your hair is wet, right after you shower, 3 or 4 spritzes, comb it in, and you're good to go. Let's start out with clippers. Now, this is essential because a lot of people are forced to be able to cut their hair at home, and they don't know what tools to get, so this is what I would suggest. This is the Wall Magic Clips. I believe it's on my Amazon page. I started out using these, well, actually not started out, but a lot of barbers use these. What's great, it's got the lever so you can adjust the different lengths right through here. So a must-have if you're trying to cut your hair at home, Wall Magic Clips. And also, I got these attachments. These are they're not there's some real cheaper ones, and these are, I guess, what they're calling the metal ones. and you just simply, it comes in a set, you clip on the guard here, and it's good to go. It goes from a number 1 all the way to a number 8. I use these on all my clients, right? I do have another clipper that I use, which is, let's grab it right over here. It's the Wall 100-year anniversary edition. It's much heavier, does almost the same thing, a little more powerful, but I would suggest getting the Magic Clips. Now when it comes to trimmers and a really all-in-one great tool, this is the Philips Norelco One Blade. I saw this being used at a hair show many years ago, and I said, what is that thing? He was actually shaving someone's head with this and doing some, trimming and edging, and I was like, what is that? It's an electric razor, but it's like a razor, but electric, but a very unique shape. As you can see, it looks like almost like a regular traditional razor. This thing is unbelievable. It almost gets it just as close, not as, but close to if you're using a straight razor. This thing is great for getting rid of all that hair up in through here. It's great for the neck. It's great for the head. Really, really, really good product. A lot of my clients ended up purchasing this after they see me using it on them. I don't think it's in my Amazon store, but it's the Norelco One Blade. Next up, all right, when it comes to hair stuff is scissors. Now, these scissors are on my Amazon page. I use Joelle. These are professional shears, all right? They are professional shears. They're not the cheapest. I think they're like 3 something, or I don't even know. But I've always liked these scissors, and they just hold up. These things are like machines, man. I mean, they're my grinding shear. I mean, I use these things on everything. And yes, they're sharp, but these are Joelle. These are 7-inch shears, handmade in Japan. And I definitely suggest using these if you're looking to get a good quality shear, because scissors can go up to over $1,000, right? Next is thinning shears, all right? Thinning shears are great for reducing bulk in your hair. So you see they've got the different teeth in through here, and these are the 6-inch 14 teeth. That's what I tend to use, okay? Again, you use these if your hair is getting a little bit thicker. You can use the comb when your hair is dry and just kind of go throughout the mid shaft of the hair, and it'll help remove some bulk or some weight. Thinning shears are definitely a must. Since I have this in my hand, my hair cutting combs, these are actually sold on my website, shop.TheSalonGuy.com. I had these pretty much made to match what I used to use. These are a bit more flexible. So there is a chance that they can break over time if you're going to break it in half, to be honest with you. But I would suggest doing that, but I've got red ones and white ones, and they're currently on my website right now. Next is, this is the 413 sculpting brush from Paul Mitchell. I've been using a sculpting brush for, I don't even know, over 20 years. This is an amazing brush. I use it all the time for styling. And also what's great is this is kind of like a vent brush. This is also on Amazon. I got this. A vent brush is great for styling. The difference is this one, there's no air getting through it. This one, the air gets through it, so it's really good for styling. This is great for just kind of combing through knots and brushing through the hair real quick. They're both great brushes, but I suggest either one of those. Next, a wide tooth comb. Let's put it on my head here so you can see it. This is a wide tooth comb. This is, again, great for styling, great for kind of getting that feathered look, which I've actually done in one of my most recent videos. Let's talk about clips. These are what they call alligator clips. As you can see through here, they're very, very powerful. They're great for holding up hair. You clip it right in and the hair just stays there. Clips are great because you need something to section your hair. Ladies or guys with longer hair, these duckbill clips, man. These are classic clips. You can get these in packs of like, 12 or something. You got to have a bunch of these laying around the house. Ladies or people who have longer hair, these come in very, very, very handy. Another thing, when it comes to clips, these are, those are banana clips. These are banana clips, and these are duckbill clips. These little suckers right here. They're little metal ones. Banana clips and duckbill clips. Any clips are great to get. I know this might sound weird, but a mirror. You need a mirror, okay? I don't even know how much these things cost. I'm sure a couple of bucks, but you can get them on Amazon, I'm sure. A mirror is essential when you're cutting your hair so you can look at yourself and see what's going on, right? There, I'm looking into the camera lens right now from the mirror. So a mirror is great if you're looking, you need something to see what the heck you're doing in the back of your head. And let's see what else. So I've got a spray bottle. This is a mister. All right, when you hold it, see it's a consistent mist. So just search mister, spray bottle mist or mister. Really, really awesome, especially for if you are doing your hair yourself. A neck brush. All right, this gets rid of all the hair. I use this on my clients, and it definitely comes in handy. And then last but not least, a blow dryer. I mean, get whatever blow dryer you want. I use the Dyson, which is kind of pretty expensive. I love that thing. But just get any sort of blow dryer. I like ones that are ionic technology, so it's a little better for the hair. It's not going to burn or damage your hair from the heat. So there's a few more protective elements in that. And I'm trying to think if there's anything else. I know these are tough times, and the reason is I'm putting all these videos where people are saying, I can't even go to my barber, I can't even go to my stylist. So if you are in the need to trim your hair up or cut your hair yourself, I would suggest purchasing some of these tools to hold your own for a while, all right? Because who knows how long this is going to last, but I'm hoping that you found this helpful. And these are things that I use on a somewhat regular basis, or at least did when I had all my clients coming in. Let me know if you found this video helpful. I appreciate the support. I have some really, really exciting news. I'm going to be going forward with the product reviews, but I'm doing something that is really, really going to be unique and different, and I'm looking forward to doing it. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time for more videos with the Salon Guy.